Hello students, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. This video is about basic strength of aniline and substituted anilines. Amines are Lewis bases because of the presence of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom. And the basic strength of the amines depends upon the electron pair donating tendency of nitrogen atom of amine group to H plus ion. And addition of H plus ion to amine group is called as protonation. So the basic strength of amines depends upon how easily the amines are getting protonated. And if you see this aliphatic amine, an alkyl group which is electron donating group as per inductive effect is bonded to nitrogen. So it is donating electron pair to nitrogen. So the electron density around the nitrogen atom increases. Because of this, its tendency to donate that electron pair to H plus ion increases. So aliphatic amines are more basic than ammonia. And when you come to aniline, amine group bonded to phenyl group, which is a conjugate system. So the electron pair present on nitrogen atom has a tendency to get involved in delocalization within the conjugate system. So the protonation ability of this amine group got decreased because of the delocalization of this electron pair within the conjugate system. So aniline is weakly basic when compared with aliphatic amines. In substituted anilines, basic strength depends upon the nature of the substituents bonded to aniline. Electron donating groups increase the electron density on nitrogen atom, which makes protonation easy. So basic strength increases. Electron withdrawing groups decrease the electron density on nitrogen atom, which makes protonation difficult. So basic strength decreases. In the groups bonded to aniline, methyl group acts as electron donating group as per inductive effect and hyperconjugation as well. Methoxy group contains lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom. So these lone pair of electrons can be involved in delocalization in phenyl group. So it acts as electron donating group as per resonance effect. At the same time, as oxygen is more electronegative atom, it can withdraw the sigma electron pairs from benzene. So acts as electron withdrawing group as per inductive effect. But the influence of resonance effect dominates inductive effect. So OCH3 acts as donating group. NO2 group has a double bond between nitrogen atom and oxygen. Because of this, it withdraws the electrons from benzene as per resonance effect. Not only that, even as per inductive effect also, it withdraws the electrons as nitrogen is high electronegative atom. So NO2 group is overall electron withdrawing group. And come to chlorine. Being high electronegative atom, chlorine can withdraw the electrons from benzene as per inductive effect. At the same time, chlorine has 3 lone pair of electrons on it. So these electron pairs can be involved in delocalization through benzene. So it acts as electron pair donor. But these lone pairs are present in 3p orbitals of chlorine, and these electron pairs has to be donated to 2p orbitals of carbon in benzene. And the overlapping between 3p orbitals of chlorine and 2p orbitals of carbon is ineffective. Because of this, electron donating tendency of chlorine is less. So chlorine acts as electron withdrawing group in this case. So order of basic strength is methoxyaniline greater than methylaniline greater than aniline greater than chloroaniline greater than nitroaniline. Methoxy group is electron donating group as per resonance effect. Methyl group is electron donating group as per hyperconjugation and inductive effect. Chlorine is electron withdrawing group as per inductive effect and donating group as per resonance effect, but in case of chlorine, inductive effect dominates. And NO2 group is electron withdrawing group as per both resonance effect and inductive effect. And when you come to chlorosubstituted anilines, we need to consider inductive effect in case of chlorine. So it is a electron withdrawing group. We know that electron withdrawing groups decrease basic strength of aniline. So aniline is more basic than chloroanilines. And in the remaining 3 isomers, orthochloroaniline is weakly basic than the remaining 2 isomers because of ortho effect. Just like in aromatic carboxylic acids, even in anilines also there is ortho effect. Whatever the nature of group present at the ortho position, due to the repulsion between aniline and the group present at the ortho position, protonation of aniline will become difficult. H plus ion can't come here to attack on aniline group because of the repulsions present here. So ortho isomer is weakly basic. In remaining 2 isomers, para isomer comes to second position and meta isomer comes to third position, because in meta isomer chlorine is close to NH2 group and inductive effect influence will be there when the substituent is close to the functional group. And come to nitro isomers of aniline. Nitro group is also electron withdrawing group. So nitroanilines are less basic than aniline. So aniline comes in first place, and in the 3 isomers of nitroaniline, because of ortho effect, orthonitroaniline is weakly basic. So it will go to 4th place. In the remaining 2 isomers of nitroaniline, as nitro group is electron withdrawing group as per resonance effect, resonance effect influence will be there at ortho and para positions. So this para nitroaniline is weakly basic when compared to meta nitroaniline. So 1 greater than, 4 greater than, 2 greater than 3. And come to methylaniline. Ortho isomer is anyway weakly basic because of ortho effect, and methyl group is electron donating group as per hyperconjugation and inductive effect. Hyperconjugation is more dominant than inductive effect, and its influence will be there at ortho and para positions. So para methylaniline is strongly basic. Next, meta-methylaniline, and next aniline, and finally orthomethylaniline. Come to methoxyaniline. Methoxy group is electron donating group as per resonance effect, withdrawing group as per inductive effect. Resonance effect is more dominant over inductive effect. Resonance effect influence will be there at ortho and para isomers, but due to ortho effect, ortho isomer is weakly basic, and at para position methoxy group shows resonance effect and it is a donating group. So para methoxyaniline is more basic, and orthomethoxyaniline should be weakly basic. But here we have an exception. Orthoisomer is not the weakest base out of all these. Weakest base is meta-isomer, because at meta position methoxy group shows only inductive effect, and as per inductive effect it is a withdrawing group. Because of that, meta-isomer of methoxyaniline is weakest base. So before this we will get orthoisomer due to ortho effect. So the order of basic strength of methoxyanilines is 2 greater than 1 greater than 3 greater than 4. Thanks for watching this video.